Well, morning, boys. It's tomorrow. We are blocking this person's driveway a big time, so hopefully they don't come home. But we'll just move, right? We'll just try to calm them down, because I know I would flip absolutely out. Hey, but yeah, we'll just get, make sure we can move if we have to. But I mean, there's, parking on the road, he won't be here, for the whole week. But yeah, we're just gonna do a little French drain behind the shed there. Neighbor's water kind of foofs over here. A little catch basin. It'll be awesome. Yeah, for evidence, man. Never know. Oh, a couple extra bushes. Oh, we didn't see those yesterday, did we?
I didn't know.
Yeah. See, this thing the roots grow out of the ground and grow these little spriggets. So this whole thing's just going to be devastated. But yeah, your dirt, eh? Yeah. Your dirt's sloping that way big time. So we'll dig all that out, put gravels in there. Oh, this is going to be fun. Hey, felon's job.
Oh, there's lots of room to work in there too.
Careful. But yeah, we'll put a little catch basin right there. It'll be awesome. Oh, check this guy out, you guys. Look at this one. Oh, there. So awesome. Timber. Well, we got a zip time together here. We just need to lift that up. Yeah. Sweet. Right in the garbage. Okay?
Nope.
Right in the friggin' garbage. Nice. That is a handy little unit, that. The neighbors came home and didn't flip out.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, musty. Oh, musty.
Oh my God, did I really?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Just poofed myself.
I don't know how much you enjoy that. Oh, jeez. Get that off there so I don't wear it. Oh, wow, that was hard. All right. So may as well bring up buckets while you're doing it.
Nothing?
No, I'm just gonna bring up buckets while you're doing that.
No wonder the trammy dick didn't show up, eh? Holy f***. Just pound the piss out of that guy. You know what I mean? He would not have a good day. No wonder. You know what I mean? Oh, this is easy digging, guys.
Afterwards, at least.
Right. I mean, we're pretty much minced cigarettes
Yeah.
at this point. So.
All right.
Look at this. Holy shit. Want to see what a 48-year-old can do? Fall down, bump my head. Shit myself. All on camera. Upload it on the internet.
Yep. Sounds about right.
There's like a want hole. There's like little dirt. Well, obviously it's dirt, but like there's scraps or something. They're poop layer. I found it. Smell it. Smell the want poop layer.
Oh, what that was?
What was that?
Somebody backing up or something. Must have been.
Got a nice fucking boulder here or something.
Yeah, that kind of looks. They dug around like the concrete there, whatever is in there. Or maybe it's a new type of ant and they're building concrete underneath ground.
Yeah.
So
Just like a little concrete. It's probably from the driveway. Maybe.
probably, yeah.
Well, we only got 13 minutes of SD card left, but you get the drift. Hey, you catch the drift, boys. We need a couple minutes to finish the video, so hang on a minute. Next thing you know, we'll probably be putting the pipe in the ground. It'll be awesome.
TV magic.
Yeah. Well, our streak of bringing just the right amount of stuff is over, boys. I only got one bucket of stones left, but we're doing an open French drain, so as we need more stones. We need to top this off with stones. So I hope you're happy. Well, now I gotta go get more stones. Great. Problem is we're probably gonna have a bunch of extra dirt, right?
Yeah.
So we should probably maybe just take a couple barrels with us. You know, fire a couple barrels on there quick, and then you know, maybe we'll grab this heavier Dickard stuff, grab a couple barrels of that, and then, you know, we'll make the rest work. It'll be awesome. And then I'll go dump that, get some stones, and then yeah, and by the time I get back, fella will have this all doctored up. We'll put the sod back on. We're done. Hey. Friggin' One Day Larry, they'll call us. Hey, they'll start calling us One Day Larry. Holy shit, that'd be pretty awesome. But yeah, not too bad. Like I say, now I got 11 minutes left, so I can't be just wasting all my footage. But yeah, that is gonna look sweet. We're not done yet. We're done yet. Hold on a minute. We'll show you. The water will just foof right out of there. Nice. You don't want to foof it out way over there. Why do they do that? Why even bother? Guys will make like a 10-foot underground downspout, foof the water out 10 feet away from the footing. Well, you think water can't flow 10 feet? Oh my God, like a brain damage or something. Well, I know Canadian Tire is going to get some emails about this. Nothing I can do about it. But yeah, here we go. What time is it? 3:48. We got a couple barrels of dirt to get rid of. Felon's just sweeping up his friggin' mess. Hey, look at him. Fucking getting his sweeping certificate. Be nice if those catch basins had risers, but one day maybe, who knows. But look at this, we got a French drain behind the shed, so any water pissing out of that guy will just, you know, not go into his shed no more. Hey, it was just dicking his whole shed. So now it'll go in there, downspout go in there. We didn't even price it for that, but we gave him this. This was an extra. This was just a friendly gesture. We didn't even price him for that, but we gave it to him anyways. So that was pretty solid, eh? Make sure you include that in your email, bud. You know what I mean? Sorry about that. But yeah, just gonna clean up here. Gonna rake, right? And friggin'
Then we get the mixer
and the boards off the other job.
Yeah.
And then we go home. We're done. It's awesome. Fucking awesome, you guys. This one day. That's pretty sweet. I like those ones, eh? Where you don't have to come back tomorrow. But if I don't shut up, put the camera down, and get back to her, that's exactly what'll happen. So I'm gonna see about getting some Horton cards. Get like a bunch of $5 Horton cards, and then like places like this where we gotta block the driveway all day, we can just like give them a Horton's card, and friggin' they'd be like, "Oh, thanks, man. You're awesome. Blue Entertainers, woo!" You know what I mean? But in other words, yeah. Canadian Tire, best suspects in emails. That's all I got to say about that. Oh, dudes, we just had like torrential rains last night, so I just come and check on things, make sure she's all good. Zero puddles, boys. Look at that. Friggin' decent. Nice. Not the biggest fan of concrete, I'll tell you that right now. Crawdad makes it look easy, and it is not easy. We're here to tell you that right now. Here's this guy. Nice, that is friggin' working absolutely friggin' splendid. You can't even tell we were here. Holy shit. Oh, this is friggin' awesome. French drain, like zero puddling. A little bit in the east trough, right? A little bit in the downspout there, but yeah, that is awesome. Perfect, decent. Whew, you know what I mean? Love it when a plan comes together, boys. Need to find a riser though for these catch basins. That's so dicked. But anyways,